I have no birth, no death, and no duties. I have never done anything, either good or bad. I am purely Brahman, the Absolute, beyond all qualities. How could either bondage or liberation exist for me? If God is all-pervading, immovable, whole, without any parts, then there is no division in this God at all. How then will he be regarded as within or even without? The whole universe is shining as one, without any split or break or separate parts. The idea of Maya, the great illusion, is itself the great delusion. Duality and non-duality are merely concepts of the mind. The world of form and the formless void, neither of these exists independently. In the one, there is neither separation nor union. Truly, there is nothing but Shiva consciousness alone. I have no mother or father or brother. I have no wife or husband or son or friend. I have no attachments or non-attachments. How then do you justify this anxiety of mind? O mind, there is neither the day of manifestation nor the night of dissolution. My continuous light neither rises nor sets. How could a wise man sincerely believe that the formless existence is affected by forms? It is not undivided, nor is it divided. It experiences neither sorrow nor joy. It is not the universe, nor is it not the universe. Understand that the self is eternally one. What to say now?